Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to record your screen in Windows 11. Screen recording is useful for creating tutorials, capturing gameplay, or saving important activities on your computer. We will walk you through the process step by step. Now let's get started. With a Windows 11 desktop license, we can record the screen by pressing the print screen key on the keyboard. Just press print screen and a small pop-up window will appear at the top of the screen. From here, we can choose to take a screenshot, snip, or record the screen. Click the camera icon, then select which screen we want to record. In this example, we will record this screen here. Once ready, click Start. As we can see, there is a countdown and the recording has begun. We can now open any application we want. For example, we can open Paint or do anything else we like. When finished, simply click Stop Recording, and the video will automatically be saved. The saved recording will appear right here in Windows 11. And that's all there is to it. We now know how to record the screen on Windows 11, so we can capture anything on the screen whenever we need to.